We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and unbiased overview of the Shusha's toy pistol with ejecting shells, a realistic soft bullet toy gun designed for ages 14 and up. If you own this item, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. This toy pistol stands out for its realistic appearance, featuring a design that closely mimics the look of a real handgun while being made entirely of plastic. The high-fidelity design has been praised by users who appreciate the attention to detail, making it a popular choice as a prop for cosplay, film, or display. The toy gun is manufactured by Shushu's and is marketed as a fun, stress-relieving fidget toy suitable for adults and teenagers alike. It is also positioned as an affordable option, retailing for under $10, making it accessible for a wide range of consumers. One of the most notable features of this toy pistol is its smooth firing mechanism and automatic shell ejection. According to the manufacturer, the latest generation of this model has been upgraded to allow for quick and stable firing, with the added realism of ejecting shells after each shot. This feature is intended to enhance the immersive experience for users, making play sessions feel more authentic and engaging. The package includes one toy gun, one magazine, 20 foam bullets, and 16 shells, providing everything needed for immediate use out of the box. The foam bullets are made from EVA material, which is soft and designed to minimize the risk of injury, while the main body of the gun is constructed from durable ABS plastic. Safety certifications, including ASTM, CPC, and CPSIA, are in place, giving buyers additional peace of mind regarding the materials used. In terms of educational value, the Shushu's toy pistol is promoted as more than just a toy. The act of aiming and firing can help develop hand-eye coordination, observation skills, and endurance. The manufacturer suggests that it encourages physical activity and social interaction, keeping users away from screens and fostering teamwork during group play or family gatherings. It is also highlighted as a suitable gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, with the potential to appeal to model enthusiasts and collectors due to its realistic design. Despite these strengths, user feedback reveals a mixed picture when it comes to actual performance and reliability. Many reviewers praise the toy's visual appeal, describing it as a great prop weapon that looks impressive both up close and from a distance. For some, the realistic appearance is the primary draw, especially for those interested in roleplay or display purposes. Several users report that the material feels hard and durable, suggesting that the toy can withstand regular handling and play, at least under typical conditions. However, a significant number of users have encountered issues with the toy's functionality. A recurring complaint is the tendency for the gun to jam, particularly during reloading or when firing multiple shots in succession. Some users report that the shell ejection mechanism does not always work as intended, with shells occasionally failing to eject or becoming stuck in the chamber. The slide, which must be pulled back to chamber each round, is described by some as difficult to operate, especially for younger users or those with less hand strength. The magazine, which holds the foam bullets and shells, has also been criticized for poor quality, with reports of the internal spring becoming stuck and failing to feed new rounds into the gun. These mechanical issues can significantly impact the overall enjoyment and usability of the toy, leading some buyers to express disappointment and frustration. Durability is another area of concern. While the main body of the toy is made from ABS plastic and is generally considered robust, there are reports of the gun breaking after being dropped from a relatively low height, such as less than 4 feet. This raises questions about the long-term resilience of the product, especially in the hands of active children or during energetic play sessions. The foam bullets themselves are noted to be quite small, which can make them easy to lose and may limit the range and impact of each shot. Some users mention that the gun struggles to shoot further than 10 feet, which may be a drawback for those seeking a more powerful or far-reaching toy blaster. On the positive side, many younger users and their parents report satisfaction with the toy's entertainment value, particularly for casual play. Children enjoy the novelty of loading the magazine, firing the foam bullets, and watching the shells eject with each shot. The inclusion of extra bullets and shells is appreciated, as it allows for longer play sessions without the need for immediate reloading. For some, the toy has become a favorite that is repeatedly brought out for play, even months after purchase. The toy is also seen as a good value for the price, especially when compared to more expensive alternatives in the toy foam blaster market. In summary, the Shusha's toy pistol with ejecting shells offers a visually impressive and affordable option for those seeking a realistic toy gun experience. Its strengths lie in its detailed design, safety features, and the added realism of shell ejection. It is well suited for use as a prop, for light play, or as a gift for teenagers and adults who appreciate novelty items. However, potential buyers should be aware of the reported issues with jamming, inconsistent shell ejection, and occasional durability problems. The firing range is limited and the magazine may not always function smoothly, which can detract from the overall experience. For those who prioritize appearance and novelty over consistent performance, this toy pistol may still be a worthwhile purchase. For users seeking a more reliable or high-performance foam blaster, it may be advisable to consider alternative options. If you have experience with the Shusha's toy pistol with ejecting shells, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is valuable and can provide additional insights beyond what we have gathered from online reviews. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. Thank you for watching and for contributing to the community of informed buyers.